Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. So I got a call the other day from a building owner who had an EPDM roof. It was a little older, 15 to 20 years old, and they're wondering, it's letting some water in. Can I renew this thing? Do I need to rip it all off? What's the most cost-effective way to get this thing under warranty and watertight? And the first thing I asked her, are you sure you have an EPDM roof? So just wanted to go over that real quick. EPDM roof is a single-ply roof. It's usually black in color, and usually the seams are fastened together, or it'll be ballasted with rocks on top of it. So it's usually black in color and it's single ply, so it sheets. So I just wanted you to be aware of what an EPDM roof is. But the next thing I ask her is, how good of condition is your roof in? If it's in good condition, you can restore it. If it's in bad condition, you most likely need to rip it all off and install a new roofing system. And I told her, any roofing contractor, this is how they determine which one's kind of the best option to go. And really it's determined by how saturated your insulation on your roof is. So a roofing contractor will pull core samples, they'll do an infrared survey, and they'll determine how much is saturated. If it's 25% or lower, most likely that roof is in good condition and it's worth restoring. If there's a lot of wetness on your roof, like 50%, you're better off just ripping it off and putting a new system on there. So other characteristics of a good condition roof, the seams are intact, they're not uplifted at all. A roofing contractor has probably been on that roof at least annually just to make sure any small deficiencies don't turn into something big over a lifetime. And then roofs in bad condition are just the opposite. Seams are uplifted, there's a lot of saturation, like I said before, and the roof has probably been neglected for 5-10 years. Those roofs are most likely in bad condition and need to be completely ripped off. So just quickly, some steps on restoration. So if you had a good condition roof, a contractor would remove any of the saturated areas, clean the roof, do some seam treatments on your EPDM, and you could apply a silicone coating over the roof, get you a seamless membrane and a new warranty. And then on the flip side, if it's in bad condition, roofing contractor may rip off the entire EPDM roof, and then spray foam over what's there. Make sure it's clean and dry and sound. There's some issues with having a fully adhered substrate to spray foam onto, but there's more information in the blog post below if you would like to read more. But they'll spray foam over it, and then that's a done deal. So if you have an EPDM roof, there's two options you can go. And hopefully this video helps you choose the most cost-effective option. Thank you so much. If you want to learn more, please reach out anytime, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.